exploring the enchantment of Brienz and Iseltwald in Switzerland. Nestled within the breathtaking embrace of the Swiss Alps, the villages of Brienz and Iseltwald beckon travelers with their serene charm and natural splendor. Situated along the tranquil shores of Lake Brienz, these idyllic locales offer an enchanting escape from the bustle of modern life, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in the pristine beauty of Switzerland's countryside. From crystalline waters to verdant forests and majestic mountains, the Brienz Iseltwald tour promises a journey filled with unforgettable experiences. The journey begins in the picturesque village of Brienz, renowned for its rich heritage of woodworking and traditional Swiss culture. As visitors stroll along the cobblestone streets lined with quaint chalets adorned with intricately carved wooden balconies, they are transported to a bygone era of craftsmanship and artistry. The Woodcarving Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Brienz's artisanal traditions, showcasing exquisite wooden sculptures, furniture, and intricately carved cuckoo clocks. For those seeking adventure, Brienz offers a myriad of outdoor activities amidst breathtaking natural surroundings. The turquoise waters of Lake Brienz beckon water enthusiasts with opportunities for swimming, kayaking, and paddleboarding, while hiking trails meander through lush forests and alpine meadows, revealing panoramic vistas of the surrounding mountains. Continuing along the shores of Lake Brienz, travelers will discover the enchanting village of Iseltwald, nestled at the foot of soaring mountains reflected in the mirror-like surface of the lake. With its charming waterfront promenade and colorful wooden chalets, Iseltwald exudes an air of serenity and relaxation, making it the perfect destination for those seeking refuge from the stresses of everyday life. A leisurely stroll through the village unveils hidden treasures at every turn, from quaint cafes serving freshly brewed Swiss coffee to artisanal shops offering handmade crafts and souvenirs. The historic Oberhofen Castle, perched majestically on the shores of the lake, provides a glimpse into Switzerland's medieval past, with its well-preserved architecture and meticulously landscaped gardens. As the Brienz Iseltwald tour unfolds, travelers are invited to embark on further adventures into the surrounding countryside, where the majestic beauty of the Swiss Alps awaits. A scenic boat cruise across Lake Brienz offers unrivaled views of snow-capped peaks and cascading waterfalls, while a ride on the historic Brienz-Rothorn Railway transports passengers to dizzying heights, where panoramic vistas of the surrounding landscape unfold in all their splendor.